Trump says that they're doing everything we ask them. Well, they're not liberating the political prisoners. And they're not liberating the political prisoners while they have the Gerald Ford aircraft carrier in front. And they're not going to keep it there forever. So Diosdado Cabello, who's kind of like the head of the cartel, right? Diosdado Cabello knows that his best strategy is to wait the U.S. out. To wait the U.S. out, to use this period to gain financial resources and strength and so on, and to wait the U.S. out. So if they cannot make them, with that financial control, to liberate the political prisoners, is because they're asking about oil concessions and stuff like that, and not asking about basic rights, not even a basic rights. So I would put it to you, the agenda forward is free the political prisoners, allow people to return, have an electoral timetable that will give people the sense that it's still before the democratic transition, because the elections have not yet happened, but it's time to go back. And if we go back, things will boom.
Ricardo, thank you. Very clear.